Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start investing with MFS Investment Management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start investing with MFS Investment Management, follow these detailed steps. First, research MFS Investment Management to understand their investment philosophy and available products. Visit the MFS Investment Management website to access resources such as fund performance, investment strategies, and market. Determine your investment goals by asking yourself what you want to achieve in the short, medium, and long term. Assess your risk tolerance to understand how much volatility you can handle in your investment portfolio. Create a budget that outlines how much you can afford to invest initially and on a recurring basis. Consider setting up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses before diving into investing. Once you're ready, establish an investment account with MFS. You can choose between individual accounts, joint accounts, or retirement accounts like IRAs. Complete the required documentation by providing personal information, including your social security number, employment details, and financial information. After your account is set up, explore the investment options available through MFS, such as mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, or other investment vehicles. Evaluate the different funds based on their historical performance, expense ratios, and alignment with your investment goals. Select the funds that suit your objectives and risk profile. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you're unsure about which investment options to choose. Fund your MFS investment account by transferring money from your bank account or rolling over funds from an existing retirement account if applicable. Monitor your investments regularly, reviewing performance, market trends, and any changes in your personal financial situation. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to ensure your investments remain aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Stay informed about market changes and economic indicators that may affect your investment strategies. Make adjustments to your investments as needed to optimize performance. Remember, investing is a long-term endeavor, so focus on your strategy rather than short-term fluctuations. Consider utilizing MFS's educational resources and tools to deepen your understanding of investing. Stay disciplined and patient as you navigate the investment landscape with MFS Investment Management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.